CL, sir, because I have heard the name and it is a very renowned institute. And as a dropper, I have experienced that most of the CLAT questions that came in CLAT 2019, I have seen in CL question papers, mock papers, and also in online's aspiration AI. And also that CL mentors are very helpful to me. And in various ways, I have found that CLAT 19 has been much more easier for me being with CL. As a dropper, you have to prepare from day one. Like if you keep a nature like it is a very long year, so you'll develop a lethargic nature, and you have to prepare for day one. And keep in mind that GK must be done daily, and make a diary if you can, and be sure to give mocks. Mocks are very helpful, and if you give it from every section, you'll know how much time it takes, how much pressure you're feeling, and also that how much difficulties you're facing in each section.